If your thermostat is acting all weird and won't let you change the fan speed like it's supposed to, you're definitely not alone. So, first off, check if your thermostat actually supports fan speed control. Some basic models just don't have that feature, you know? If yours does, but it's still not working, try resetting the thermostat by turning it off for a minute and then back on. Sometimes these gadgets just need a quick refresh. Next, take a peek at your HVAC system's fan settings. Most systems have a manual switch or a control panel where you can set fan speed independently. If you've got a smart thermostat, make sure the firmware is up to date. Outdated software can mess with fan controls. Also, double check that the fan wiring is secure. Loose wires can cause all sorts of wonky behavior. Try switching between automatic and manual fan modes to see if that makes any difference. If you're still stuck, it might be time to call in a pro to look at your blower motor or control board, because those parts can get faulty over time. And lastly, keep an eye on your air filters. Clogged filters can make your fan struggle and seem like it's not responding right. One of the biggest headaches is thinking your thermostat can do more than it actually does, buying a model without fan speed options and expecting magic. Fix that by double-checking the specs before buying. Another common issue is ignoring the wiring setup. Loose or corroded wires can totally mess with fan speed control, so giving them a careful look or having an electrician check them out helps big time. Lastly, many folks forget about the mechanical side of things. If the blower motor or fan capacitor is failing, no amount of thermostat fiddling will fix it. Getting those replaced or repaired by a technician usually sorts it out. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the hassle. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people needing work done and grow their business legit and easy.